Hey guys, raining Kimono here. I hope you're all having a really great Saturday. Well, I know a lot of you are probably at the Dollar General, and I actually have to find myself over there pretty soon, and I've yet to do that. So, yeah, I'm busted. I got to get out there pretty soon. So, it is Saturday, and we're going to have a little giveaway. The inserts are courtesy of Coupon John. Sent me some inserts, so very generous of him, and we're going to be giving away two packages of inserts. Some of the wonderful coupons include the buy one get one free on the Dial body wash with a beauty event taking place later in the week over at Walgreens. Plus, there's also supposed to be some clearance event over at Dollar General, and I know a lot of the Dial line has also been on clearance there. There's a myriad of really great coupons in both the Smart Source and Retail Me Not. And also, just to make it extra special, one of you is going to get a mystery Starbucks gift card in one of the bundles. So we're going to have two winners for this. Again, special shout out and thank you to Coupon John. He is tremendous, just a very big heart and just probably one of the most generous people I know. He does this to help you guys out, and just thank you, John, for being so nice. I know that for a lot of people right now, it's almost impossible to buy the Sunday newspaper and to make some deals happen. So this will really help out a couple people who are trying to make it happen. And before I dive into all of the rules, how to enter, guys, this is a 100% free giveaway. I pay for shipping. You don't have to pay a cent for anything. I know there's been a lot of fraud over on Instagram where there's dummy accounts for larger giveaways and people are asked to provide credit card or banking routing information, and these scammers are getting quite creative right now. So if you ever get a suspicious email like that for a giveaway that you've entered, probably realize it's not on the up and up, and never give that sort of information out. Just never. Okay, and what are the rules? You have to be a subscriber to my channel. Tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. One entry per person. And the winners will be picked on Monday, August the 17th. Good luck to you guys. And remember, this is 100% free to enter. Can't stress that enough. And again, good luck, guys. I know that you guys love these sort of giveaways, so that's why I've just continued with them. And hopefully the two winners will put these inserts to really good use. Okay, guys, so before I take off, I just want to talk about this video that I made yesterday. And I know that the title of the video and the sorry not sorry is kind of like a visual punch in the face, but I wanted you guys to watch it. And, I'm not a person that does clickbait or whatever, but it wasn't a clickbait video. There was a real message behind it that I think a lot of you just resonated with the message that you have been taken advantage of by people who might even be family, or, somebody that you know, or a best friend, or your husband's cousin's friend of a friend of a friend who needs the following. And it's a large amount, and you give generously the first time, and they keep coming back week after week after week. In the middle of a pandemic, they still need more stuff. I'm not saying that the person yesterday, one thing I do want to clarify, it wasn't a senior citizen, because even if it was a senior citizen with a terrible attitude, they're like, give me my stuff, I would probably continue to give it to them. Like, in the middle of a pandemic, it's probably not the smartest thing for them to go shopping, It was an able-bodied, 30-something-year-old that was giving all the excuses and just putting a guilt trip on this subscriber, saying, I'm not doing this because of the following. Like, I don't have time. I don't have this. I don't have that. I don't have the mind for it. And a lot of you just absolutely saw the message of this, or you had a story, and I will try to respond to everybody. It's just kind of becoming a little difficult to do this, so it's probably going to be in the next week, and I apologize for the delay, but I do want to, especially people that shared a heart and soul comment where they have gone through this in the last 3 to 5 months. And I feel ya, and it's not a fun thing when you have been kind of taken advantage of by somebody who said you were their best friend, and then the second, the tide and the cottonelle stop showing up because we're in the pandemic, and, they're just like, I want, I need, and you're like, hey, sorry, can't help you out. That's not cool. And so many of you shared stories, and I will get back to you. It just might take a couple days, and I'm really sorry that it's been a real journey, but I've probably gotten about half a dozen in the last month for this one subject where people have been, spoken to or treated poorly by someone they know or a family member just because the level of entitlement to someone else's stuff has been like really high lately. So, guys, thank you so much for the support on this video. And if you want to take a cruise through the comments, there's a lot of shoppers who are going through the same thing, and it's a very ugly subject and uncomfortable to talk about. Can't stress that enough. But a lot of you were so open and honest, and just to know that, the 6 people that I spoke to, they are totally not alone. Like, this has been happening. And to also throw this very uncomfortable subject in your back pocket, that if somebody comes to your house or they know that you coupon, like what to say, or just to say no, or to be somewhat assertive. Because I think a lot of us, we want to be nice and generous and kind, and to be assertive and say no is a really hard thing to do. Anyhow, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.